Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. Today we are learning about the last letter in the alphabet. This is a Z. Our special Z words are zoo, zero, zebra, zookeeper, and zeppelin. Our special guest words are seal and squash. Z is the last letter in the alphabet. It makes the sound Z. Try to say it with me. Z. This is a zoo. A zoo is a place where animals are kept for people to visit. Zoo. This is the number 0. It means nothing. It comes before the number 1. This is a zebra. A zebra is a beautiful striped animal found in various parts of the world. Zebra. This is a zookeeper. A zookeeper is someone who looks after a zoo. Zookeeper. This is a zeppelin. A zeppelin is a large aircraft. Zeppelin. Let's play a game. Which word does not belong? Is it zoo, seal, zero, zebra, zookeeper, or zeppelin? That's right, it's the seal. Seal does not have a Z sound. Let's play again. Which one does not belong? Is it zoo, squash, zero, zebra, zookeeper, or zeppelin? That's right, it's the squash. Great job. Now, can you point to the zoo? That's right, this is the zoo. Now find the number 0. Great, this is the 0. Now can you find the zebra? Amazing, this is the zebra. Now can you point to the zookeeper? Good job, this is the zookeeper. Can you find the zeppelin? Great, you found the zeppelin. Repeat after me one more time. Zoo, zero, zebra, zookeeper, zeppelin. Great work, everyone. Come to storybee.space for more learning. I'll see you next time.